Myself Santosh Kumar Sahu, student of IHM Pondicherry first year. Today we are going to make a cookery of continental dish in Indian style. Pan roasting of chicken with a tangy and spicy sauce. We'll make some gravy and give it a better taste. Here we are using cube cuts of capsicum, green chilies, tomatoes, cube cuts tomatoes, and some coriander and lemonade half cut. We'll use the lemon juice of this, and 4 spoon of corn flour, 4 spoon of curd, and we'll use tomato sauce, chili sauce, some soya sauce, vinegar, and a little bit of barbecue sauce for tasting, and we'll use refined oil, pure refined oil. Here we have chicken for 4 person, and we are using spice of some mango powder and chili powder. This is salt, this is your black pepper, coriander powder, and your cumin powder. Let's prepare this. Here we have chicken for 4 persons. Now we'll marinate this with some spice and sauce. We'll add a little tomato sauce because we are adding chopped tomatoes, cube cuts. Some 4 spoon will add, 4 spoon. Some chili sauce according to the spice. In continental we don't have so spicy. We use just pepper, but we are changing it to from Indian dish. We are making some changes here. A little soya. We can use wine or brandy here, but this is Indian dish, so we are not using that much. A little barbecue sauce with a spoon. We'll see. Add a little vinegar. And a little oil. Now we'll mix it well. We'll add some lemon juice. Remove the seed and just juice. Only have 1 onion, 1 lemon. Remove the seed and just mix it. A little ginger garlic paste of 1 spoon. We'll add corn flour of 4 spoon. We'll add a curd of 2 spoon and mix it well. Now we'll add our spice. Amchur of 1 spoon, not more than that. Teaspoon, half teaspoon or 1 spoon. We'll add a little sugar. Mainly we'll see for salt for taste, according to that. Pepper powder. We can use black pepper or white pepper. White pepper is a little costly, so if you are making it at home, you can use black pepper. Little bit of cumin powder. little bit of coriander powder, but coriander should be a little more than cumin powder. Now we'll give a spice red chili powder for making it spicy. This is not generally used in continental food, but we are making Indian food, so we can use. Now we have to mix it well. Now we have to marinate it for 20 to 25 minutes. So let's start the cooking. Here we have a pan. Now we'll start the gas. Light it. We'll heat the pan on a low flame. Clean the pan with a clean duster. Here you can use refined oil or you can use a salad oil. Spread it everywhere. Now slowly we put our chickens for roasting. Here we are roasting it in the pan. We can roast it in the oven, but pan cooking is little Indian style. We are doing Indian style, so we are doing pan cooking. Here we have our roasted chicken. Now we'll make the sauce out of here. With a light flame, just more of tomato sauce. A little soya sauce. Barbecue sauce. Little. Give some tomatoes, some capsicum, little green chilies, and some coriander. A little curd. A little black pepper and some of our amchur powder to give a nice taste. Salt and the sugar. Salt. This is a nice accompaniment with the roasted chicken. We'll give it our sauce over here. Nice accompaniment.